Welcome to Learning Videos. Hello, I am Dr. Swapnil. Today I am presenting a case of Mr. KR, aged 48, approached us on 16th November 2011. He has a problem of recurrent cold from a long time. Earlier the frequency was less, but over the last few months it is almost every 2 weeks. It starts with watery discharge, which later on becomes white and mucoid, with nose block, especially on the right side and at the root of nose. There is moderate to severe pain in the forehead on right side, and he feels weak with the attack. He is healthy otherwise. Married, no issue because of oligospermia. He is 3 mark chilly. In general, he feels better in the sunlight. He worked in IT company and home atmosphere is peaceful. He is very critical on small matters and becomes anxious. He sometimes thinks that something will happen to him and worries about his family. On examination, BP was 130/78, mild tenderness over frontal area, and other physical generals are normal. We will think about the totality in this case tomorrow. Welcome to Learning Videos. This is follow-up of case of Mr. KR. This is case of sinusitis, pathophysiology. In this location, main location is sinus and underlying pathological process is inflammation, likely to be chronic recurrent inflammation. Second symptom is oligospermia. We do not know why it is. General symptom, chilly 3 marks and amelioration by sun, analytical and anxious. Totality of this case. There are 4 remedies with extreme chilliness, amongst which silicea and phosphorus come up for consideration with their action on sinuses and upper respiratory tract. However, sun amelioration as a general symptom points to strontium carb, which is very close to calcarea carb or silicea. Kali carb may come up for consideration with its anxiety, but generally carbonates are chilly but desire for air or open air. Strontium carb 200 was given. In between, he used to visit for acute attack, which he used to respond to Mugsol. Mugsol was chosen on symptoms of sinusitis and feeling of chilliness and feverishness. He was better, but the response was not as desired. So after 3 months, I thought over the case and give related remedy which was usually coming in the case, that is silicea. With silicea 200, improvement was definite and he has hardly any attack in last 6 months. Thank you.